Today, we're doing something that absolutely nobody asked for. I'm putting one of the famous languages Python against this. It's called Brainf. Yes, that's the actual name. And honestly, this language deserves it. So in this video, I'm testing both languages to see which one is faster. Now you might ask, why did you get this most ridiculous and stupid idea? Well, sometimes my brain wakes up and comes with this bullshit. And instead of ignoring the thought like a normal person,
why isn't it possible? It's just not. Why not, you stupid bastard?
Alright, before we start this digital self-harm experiment, let me quickly explain what Brainf actually is. Brainf is a tiny cursed programming language that invented to hurt your brain. It's technically Turing complete. That means it can do anything like a normal programming language, but realistically, it looks like someone smashed their keyboard and called it as a language. Fun fact, Brainf was created in 1993 by a Swiss physics student who wanted the smallest compiler possible. And he succeeded. It's under 200 bytes, which is smaller than my Wi-Fi password. Now, to run this experiment on my potato laptop, I need to download both the compilers. There is no problem with my Python because it was already sleeping in my computer. But to download a Brainf compiler, I need to install other 69 ancient packages to make that work. And after all that, it still doesn't work, leaving me with 5 Stack Overflow tabs, some leftover junk in my RAM, and at least 6 hours of debugging brain rot. So I gave up and used an online compiler because my piece is worth more than proving whether punctuation runs faster than Python. First, here is a hello world program in Brainf, which looks like absolute nonsense, but somehow it works. And here is Python, a single line even your grandma can understand. I ran both. Python took 10 milliseconds, Brainf took 4 milliseconds, which means Brainf is 2.5 times faster than Python. Yes, the language made of punctuation marks beat Python in raw execution speed. It's a victory that no one would expect. The question is, why is it so fast and how it defeated Python? It's fast because it only does basic memory moves, like assembly. Meanwhile, Python is like, oh, you want to print text? Let me import the half of the universe first. Here is the structural breakdown. In Brainf, you start with 30,000 memory cells, all set to 0. You move a pointer with less than and greater than, change values with plus and minus, print output with period, input with comma, and loop with square brackets. That's it, 8 commands. No variables, no functions, no classes, just pure suffering. Alright, enough brain rot for today. Thanks for watching this completely unnecessary scientific investigation. If you enjoyed my pain, please consider buying me a coffee. Link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe before I get another cursed idea like writing a full game engine in Brainf. Please save me from myself. Hit the button in this madness. Thank you.